Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this particular video, I will be explaining an Python program to display the multiplication table for a given number. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, share this video link with your friends and family members, share the video link in various social networks which you are going to use, gain the knowledge and rule the world. Happy learning. I am opening an Python interpreter. In this particular video, I will write a Python program to display the multiplication of a given number. To create a new file, the shortcut key is Ctrl N. So here I will write the program. So first I will write the command #python program to find the, or we can write as, or display the multiplication table of given number. Suppose if I give the value as 5, it will display 5 ones are 1, 5 twos are 10, up to 5 tens are 50. If I give 3, it will display 3 ones are 1, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, up to 3 tens are 50. So first I will read that number, and space equal to int, open the bracket, input, open the bracket, within a double quotes, enter the number, space, double quotes close, bracket close, and bracket close. After this, I will be using a while loop to find or to display the multiplication table of a given number. So here I will write the while loop. Before writing the while loop, we need to initialize the value of a loop control variable. So I will write I space equal to 1. So I is a loop controlling variable, and I initialize the value as 1. Next I will write while space I less than equal to 10, and then colon. You can write in this way, or even you can give the space between the variable and the operator and the constant. Okay, while I is less than or equal to 10 colon. So if this condition becomes true, enter. So in the loop I will write a print statement, print, open bracket. So here what I have to display? I have to display the multiplication table. So that means what? N comma within a single quote into, that is x value, single quotes close, comma, then what? I value, I comma, then what? I have to display equal to, so that one within a single quotes, equal to, comma, then I have to display what? The multiplication, that is what? Within a bracket, n into, so into in the sense asterisk, I close the bracket and then close the bracket of a print. After that press enter. Now you are inside the loop itself. Now just you increment the value of I. So you write I space equal to I plus 1, then press enter. So this will be the body of a loop. Okay, then press the backspace, it will be outside the body of a loop. So only this much is the program. Now save this particular program by using the shortcut key Ctrl S. So I'll just display as, I'll save the name as table. Press enter. The program has been saved. To run the program, press F5, that is a shortcut key. So I'll give the value as 5. Enter the number, I'll give as the 5. Now you can observe it will be displaying the multiplication table of 5 when I press enter. So here, this is the output. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, up to 5 tens are 50. If you want another output, just press Alt tab. You will be in the script mode. Then again press F5. give another value, for example 3. Press enter. So you can observe it is displaying the multiplication table of 3, that is 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, up to 3 10s are 30. How you are going to get this particular value? So here I will explain that one in the script mode. So coming back to the script mode by pressing Alt tab. So here, so first n. So n, suppose if I consider the value as 5, so n value will be equal to 5. Then afterwards, which statement is there? This one, I equal to 1. So that one, I equal to 1. Press enter. Then we have written which one? This one. I'll copy those statements. Okay, then I'll paste here. While I is less than or equal to 10. What is the value of I now? 1. So 1 is less than or equal to 10. Condition becomes to print. Print in the sense what? What I have written? N. So n value is what? 5. Then I have written what? Comma. That means it will give the space. Then I have written within a single quote into mark. So it will display that one, that is x. Comma, that means space. Then again I value is what? 1. Then comma, that means space. Then I have written what? Within a single quotes equal to. So that will be displayed as it is. Then I have written comma, that means it will give one space. Then afterwards, within a bracket I have written n into I. So it means what? 5 into 1. So 5 into 1 is what? 5. So it will be displaying that one. After that, close the bracket. So just it will be displaying 5 ones are 5. Then I equal to I plus 1. That means what? I value is 1. So 1 plus 1. Now it will be equal to what? It will be equal to 2. Right. So now again. So this one again it checks the condition. So that I will write again here. While I is less than 10, that is I value is 2. 2 is less than 10, as condition becomes 2, it will come here. So that means what? It will be printing the value of n. What is the value of n? 5. Then after that, space is a comma. Then with whatever you have written in a double quotes, that will be displayed as it is. Comma, that means a space. Then afterwards we have written I. What is the value of I? 2. Then afterwards you have written comma, that means a space. Then within a single quotes you have written equal to symbol, so that will be displayed as it is. Then comma, that means one space. Then n into I. So what is the value of n into I? N is 5 and I value is 2. So 5 into 2 is 10. So now it increments the value. Next, I equal to I plus 1. That means now the I value is 2. 2 plus 1. That means it will be equal to 3. So like this it will be go on iterating when the value of I becomes 10. So I will show that one. Right. So this will be iterated when the value of I becomes 10. So now while I is less than 10, that means what? 10 is less than equal to 10. Condition becomes 2. Then it will enter the loop. So what it will be displaying? 5 into I. So I value is 10. That means 5 into 10 equal to what? 5 into I. That is 5 into 10 is 50. Then it increments the value of I. So what it will be? 10 plus 1. That means it will be equal to 11. Okay. Then again it checks the condition. So this one, while I is less than or equal to 10. So now the I value is 11. 11 is less than or equal to 10. Condition becomes false. It comes out of the loop. That means it will come here and it will stop executing the program. So in this way it will be displaying the multiplication table of a given number in Python programming language. For this one I have used the while loop. I have used the print statement, that is an output statement. I have used input statement for the purpose of reading a value, and these are for the purpose of explanation. This need not to be written. So just I will delete that one. Okay. So if you want, I will run this particular program again by just clicking File, Save, Run module. So I'll give a value as 2. So that means what? Now it will be displaying the multiplication table of 2. So you can see 2 ones are 2 up to 2 tens are 20. like the video, subscribe to the channel, share this video link with your friends and family members, gain the knowledge and rule the world. Happy learning.